Morning guys, I greet you from RBTA Health and Detox. Just an interesting something. With motorcars you had mechanics that came to you with a blue overall and dirty hands. Today you get an electrician coming with a diagnostic tool and plug it into your OBS port and he tell you, sir, this and this and this is wrong. The old time doctors came to you with a white jacket and a stethoscope that's around its neck, and it told you got this and this and that symptom. That symptomatic healing you've learned from another doctor, another doctor. Should we look at statistics of people dying in the world? The number one cause is mistakes doctors make in hospitals. Number two is the side effects from the drugs they give us. The plants in the Bible that God gave us as medicine is called drugs, and the drugs is called medicine. Now with sport performance, and anybody walking in the street, we need to know his volts. Number two, we need to know the amps. Our heart work with 6 volts, it beat with 6 volts. So for any sport enthusiast, any human being out there, number one, we come to you with a voltmeter, we test your volts. And we make sure that you're in a safe heart zone of 6.5 volts. 12 volts. So we test the volts. Second, we test the amps. We make sure he's got 6.5 amps. Amps cause resistance. High carb diet cause ammonia. Ammonia accumulate to where the highest resistance is. Is it your pancreas? Is it your kidneys? Is it your heart? Is it your lungs? Whatever it may be. Thirdly, we want to avoid cancers. We come to you, we test your debris secreting your body. And there's a way to test how a debris works. So just with 3 simple tests, basic, test your volts, test your amps, test your debris. That's the first 3 steps to overall health. I strongly recommend you guys book a RBTI test. There's a lot of additional stuff that's really get you involved when he wants to reverse disease. We're not going to touch that now. Just the basic 3 things. Volts, amps and debris. Do a booking. Make a booking. Speak to us. Thank you guys. RBTI Health and Wellness Pretoria.